happens. I want to share with you guys one of our most popular product packs or stacks, something that we call Happy Juice. It's a combination of our motivation product, Edge, our energy product, Energy, and our gut-brain axis product, Mentabiotics, or in the kids version, Kids Fundamentals. What these end up doing for you is helping balance the entire gut-brain axis. So you're helping with coordinated neurotransmitter balance. You're helping serotonin for mood, and dopamine for motivation, and GABA for stress reduction and relaxation, and norepinephrine for really good laser focus. And you put all that together and you just feel absolutely amazing. And it couldn't be simpler to do. It's 3 different powders, all based on different kinds of phytonutrients that we're sourcing from around the globe. So let's start off with my favorite, which is the original way that we do this, where we have, this is our watermelon flavored Edge. We also have a grape flavor that you see here. Same bioactive ingredients, mango leaf to help with motivation and cognition and sports performance, along with lychee extract that helps with metabolism, and palm fruit extract that really helps with the signaling across the gut-brain axis. It's been shown to help increase the production of BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, to not just protect your neurons, but to help your brain engage in what we call brain plasticity, the ability to learn and the ability to really get your brain to grow new neurons. So that's what we're starting off with here. That's what I just put in, Watermelon Edge. We also want to put in one of my favorites, our original pomegranate lime Energy Plus. The base of this is matcha green tea. So in matcha green tea, you're going to be using full whole leaf green tea, which is going to give you a little bit of natural caffeine, a little bit of catechins, these really potent antioxidant molecules, and a little bit of theanine, an amino acid that can help the brain shift into what we call relaxed alertness. Athletes would call that the zone. We also have in this energy product a very potent dose of flavonoids that are coming from pine bark and grapeseed extract and apple fruit extract, along with, the list gets longer, along with pomegranate extract that helps to open up blood vessels and really deliver those phytonutrients to all the parts of your body, so you get multi-tiered energy. You get physical energy, mental energy, and then from a unique ingredient in that Energy Plus product, Wyusa, you get mental awareness, so you can really connect those types of energy and engage it with whatever it is you want to focus on. And let's not forget our Mentabiotics, probably one of the most unique products in our entire product line. This is an unflavored powder that really, we say that it's a gut product, but it isn't just a gut product, because what happens in the gut doesn't stay in the gut. We use different strains, very specific strains of probiotic bacteria that help with stress and mood and tension, so you feel amazing. We combine those probiotics with specific prebiotic fibers to help encourage the growth and the metabolism of your microbiome. We also have phytonutrients in this product. We also have a little more theanine in this product. So what you're getting when you put all of these together, and we call it Happy Juice for a reason, you just feel better in all of these different ways. It's a comprehensive, holistic feeling of overall mental wellness. And we are the mental wellness company. We make it science-based, we make it easy to do, we make it easy to share, and we make it delicious. So that's my favorite blend right there. But you can get creative with it. You can use another flavor that we have of our Energy Plus product, our dragon fruit flavor, but that's also caffeine-free and sugar-free for people who are looking for that. We have the kids version, which is mixing it with Kids Fundamentals, which is fruit punch flavored. And as I mentioned before, we have the Edge grape flavor. So all those different permutations can really give you not just feeling good and not just the ease of doing it, but also the flexibility to be a little creative and mix it up and see what is going to be good for your taste that day. I hope you check it out. Happy Juice, you guys. You're going to love it.